After Henry Horowitz took an in-flight nap on a tray table on a plane, he learned just how dirty it was. This is before coronavirus was a concern, though. That experience turned into a school project with a junior achievement program, which aims to teach kids economic success. Well, today we could say that the lesson has been learned. So let's check back in with Henry Horowitz, CEO, and Daniel Gutkin, CFO of Germ Genie. Gentlemen, thank you for being back with us. We aired your story March 5th, just as coronavirus concerns were really starting to ramp up here in our community. Disinfectant wipes were starting to disappear from store shelves. And here we are. Timing is everything. So what have the last 3.5 months been like?
Germ Genie did start out as a small business, but we believe we can take it much larger. COVID-19 has been a worldwide wake-up call, and we know that people will never look at germs the same.
Henry, tell us more about what's inside of the Germ Genie.
So we have a KN95 mask, first aid kit, shoe covers, toilet seat covers, a face mask, non-latex gloves, a headrest cover, a hand sanitizer, tray table cover, and disinfectant wipes.
How many units did you create once the project started with the Junior Achievement Program?
So we had 3,500 units to sell, and within a few months we sold out completely of all of our products.
Wow. And
from that point on, we had to pivot to try and find different manufacturers to help create our product, and ever since then we've had quick turnaround times, just trying to get the products as quickly as possible.
So how are you evolving your plan?
So yeah, we never really could have expected the reach our product has had. I never imagined that falling asleep on a tray table would have created a company that we know today. We added fabric masks to our website.
We are currently talking to major commercial airlines, as well as making our way into big box retailers.
Timing is everything, gentlemen, and you certainly have taken this project on head on, as we hear from both of you. By the way, you are, how young are you? Can you guys tell us your age?
I'm 16.
I'm 17.
And you're both still attending NSU University School. You guys are rising seniors, right? Class of 2021?
Oh, yeah.
Taking over the world right here. Henry and Daniel, CEO and CFO of Germ Genie. Thank you so much for your time today, guys. Congrats and good luck moving forward.
Thank you
so much. Have a great day.